Tell me what you're waiting on. Yeah. This what you're waiting for. Girl, I know you're a bad bitch, so I'ma show you what you've been waiting on. Money's okay. One sex all day, or we could do it our way. Let's get the fun playing. Ooh, you're my babe. Holding on, you're holding on, babe. Love you right, babe. You fuck me right, just fuck me right, babe. Tell me what you faded on. Show me what you faded on. So baby, stay true, let me stay true. Cause I don't ever bitches wanna be you. Yeah. Have you ever had a motherfucker sing a song to you? Well, this song's for you. Oh, girl, you know I belong to you. Never gonna do no wrong to you. Cause we both been hurt, baby. I guess you gotta learn, baby, yeah. Let me smoke a little weed, get it on my chest. Lady, baby girl, I've been feeling kinda stressed. Swear the liquor is going straight to my head. Tell me what you faded on. Show me what you faded on. Baby, stay true, let me stay true. Cause I don't ever bitches wanna be you. Yeah. Yeah. But slow down. Slowly reversing positions. Can I make you feel right? Can I make you feel right? Only if both of you make that decision. Can I make you feel right? Now can I make you feel right? The drinks and the weed got me zoning. You and your girlfriend be moaning. Damn, I can tell that she want it, just by the way that she flown it. Oh, seems like fucking was always a mission. Can I make you feel right? Can I make you feel right? Slow down. Shawty, why you always rushing? Cause with me you always crushing. Down for whatever, that's cool. I'ma lay you down on a bed if that's cool, yeah. You can watch it through the mirror. Get on top just so you can see it clearer. Don't worry, you'll be home soon. You can tell your girlfriend she can come too, yeah. And if it's your first time, I wouldn't be so surprised if I wanna go a third time, yeah. No time for love making, girl, you're mine for the taking, and there's no need for thinking. Slowly reversing positions. Can I make you feel right? Can I make you feel right? Only if both of you make that decision. Can I make you feel right? Now can I make you feel right? The drinks and the weed got me zoning. You and your girlfriend be moaning. Damn, I can tell that she want it, just by the way that she flown it. Oh, seems like fucking was always the mission. Can I make you feel right?